Welcome to Basic English Lessons TV, where we explore the English language through the lens of emotions and feelings. Today, we're going to dive into a collection of vocabulary words that will help you better express your emotions. Let's get started. Ecstatic. Ecstatic. When you're overjoyed and filled with happiness, you can say you're ecstatic. Melancholy. Melancholy. This word describes a feeling of deep sadness or sorrow. Anxious. Anxious. When you're feeling uneasy or worried, you can use the word anxious to describe your state of mind. Content. Content. Contentment is that feeling of satisfaction and happiness with what you have. Frustrated. Frustrated. This word encapsulates the feeling of being annoyed or irritated when things don't go your way. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. When you're filled with excitement and passion, you can say you're enthusiastic about something. Grateful. Grateful. Expressing gratitude is important, and this word describes the feeling of being thankful and appreciative. Jealous. Jealous. When you feel envious of someone else's possessions, qualities, or achievements, you're experiencing jealousy. Nostalgic. Nostalgic. This word describes the bittersweet feeling of longing for the past or reminiscing about happy memories. And that concludes our journey through these expressive vocabulary words. We hope you've expanded your emotional vocabulary and can now better articulate your feelings. Remember, words have the power to convey our innermost emotions. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.